Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the connection now. Plug in the Google Home, then open the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled so the app can discover the device. This is how the app finds the speaker on first setup. Once seen, tap the device card to begin setup. You'll be prompted to confirm the sound test and name the device. Do this to bind the unit to your account and prepare for Wi-Fi configuration. Now you tell Google Home which network to join. In the app's Wi-Fi screen, pick the SSID of the network you want it to use. Type the password exactly. Capital letters and special characters matter because the device won't connect with typos. If your router has 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, decide based on range versus throughput. Choose 4 GHz for better range through walls, 5 GHz for lower latency. Confirm and wait as the device authenticates and applies settings. Finish by verifying the app shows your Google Home as connected, then say a command like, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" to test. If it fails, power cycle the speaker and router, then retry setup. This clears temporary IP conflicts. Make sure the router's DHCP is on and no MAC filtering is blocking new devices. If there is filtering, add the home's MAC address. If problems persist, move the speaker closer to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.